Investing in 2026 may feel intimidating, but it's easier than you think.
This video is your beginner's roadmap to building wealth.
We'll cover goals, budgeting, diversification, and long-term growth. No jargon, no hype, and just clear steps you can follow. 2026 is the perfect year to start investing. Markets are evolving, and new technologies are reshaping sectors. Saving alone won't outpace inflation.
To grow your money, you need to put it to work. By the end, you'll know how to start investing with confidence. Let's begin with setting clear financial goals. Every investment journey starts with clear goals. Ask yourself, what are you investing for?
Short-term goals need safer investments. Long-term goals allow for growth investments.
Next, build a budget that supports investing. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Needs, wants, savings.
Your savings portion funds your investments. Always keep an emergency fund first.
This protects you from unexpected expenses. Without a safety net, you risk selling investments too early.
Aim for 3 to 6 months of living costs. Once that's secure, you can invest confidently. Track your expenses to free up money for investing. Cut back on wants to grow your savings rate. Even small adjustments compound over time. Discipline in budgeting builds investing power. Think of budgeting as the foundation of your portfolio. Without it, investments collapse under pressure.
With it, you create stability and growth. Now that your goals and budget are set, let's diversify your portfolio. Diversification is the golden rule of investing. Don't put all your money in one asset.
Stocks offer growth potential. Bonds provide stability and lower risk. Real estate builds long-term wealth. ETFs and index funds combine many assets in one. This spreads risk across the market. Global diversification adds another layer of safety. Don't just invest locally. Explore international markets. Different regions grow at different times. Diversification balances risk and reward. It protects you when one sector struggles. For beginners, index funds are a simple choice. They give instant diversification at low cost. Think of diversification as insurance for your portfolio. It reduces risk without sacrificing growth. The more balanced your portfolio, the safer your journey. Diversification is not optional, it's essential.
This is step 2 of your beginner strategy. Next, let's focus on long-term growth. Investing is not about quick wins. It's about building wealth steadily over time.
The secret is compounding, growth on top of growth. Reinvest your dividends to accelerate compounding.
Patience is your greatest investing tool. Avoid chasing quick profits or hype trends.
Focus on consistent contributions. Even small investments grow large over decades. Time in the market beats timing the market. Don't panic during downturns. Markets recover, and patience pays off. Stick to your plan, even when emotions run high. Automate your investments to stay disciplined. Dollar cost averaging reduces risk over time. This smooths out volatility and builds stability. Think in decades, not days. Long-term growth rewards patient investors. Consistency beats luck in investing. Step 3 is all about long-term growth. Now let's explore new opportunities in 2026.
2026 brings exciting new investment opportunities. Technology-driven sectors are reshaping the economy. Artificial intelligence companies are leading innovation. Renewable energy is powering long-term growth. Fintech is transforming how we manage money. ETFs make it easy to invest in these sectors. Sustainable investing is gaining momentum worldwide. Companies with strong ESG ratings attract more investors. Green bonds fund projects that protect the planet. Digital assets are also evolving in 2026. But beginners should approach crypto cautiously. Focus on regulated platforms and diversified exposure.
Global markets offer fresh opportunities too. Emerging economies are growing faster than developed ones. Investing internationally spreads your risk. Balance innovation with proven investments. Don't chase hype and focus on fundamentals. Opportunities are exciting, but discipline is key. Exploring new sectors adds growth potential. Now let's talk about managing risk. Every beginner must learn risk management. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Always keep your emergency funds separate. Avoid high-interest debt before investing. Set limits to protect against big losses. Diversification itself is a form of risk control. Review your portfolio regularly. Adjust when your goals or markets change. Risk management keeps your wealth safe. Now let's look at real beginner case studies.
Case Study 1, a student investor in 2026. They started with index funds and $50 monthly contributions.
After 1 year, their portfolio grew steadily. Case Study 2, a young professional.
They balanced stocks, bonds, and real estate ETFs. This reduced risk while building long-term wealth.
Case Study 3, a family investor. They focused on retirement accounts and consistent contributions.
Over time, their disciplined approach created stability. Now let's build your personal action plan.
Step 1. Define your financial goals. Step 2. Build a budget that supports investing. Step 3. Diversify your portfolio. Step 4. Focus on long-term growth.
Step 5. Explore new opportunities in 2026. Step 6. Manage risk with discipline. This is your beginner's roadmap to investing. Follow these steps consistently. Results will come faster than you alest. Don't skip any step. Each one builds on the other. Goals give you focus.
Budgeting funds your investments. Diversification reduces risk.
Long-term growth builds wealth. New opportunities expand your potential. Risk management keeps you safe. Together, these steps form a complete system.
Apply them to your own investing journey. Now let's wrap up with a recap.
To recap, goals, budgeting, diversification, growth, opportunities, and risk management.
If you want to build wealth, start applying these steps today. Investing rewards those who take action early.
This system helps you grow steadily with confidence. It's designed for beginners and proven to work. Focus on discipline, patience, and consistency. That's how successful investors are made.
Subscribe to Finance Frontier for smarter investing tips. Join our community and start your journey today.
Remember, small steps compound into big results. Stay consistent, even when markets fluctuate. Adapt to new opportunities, but stick to fundamentals. This strategy is built for the future. Take the leap and start investing now. Your journey begins with one decision. Choose growth, choose discipline, choose results. Investing is your gateway to financial freedom, and this beginner strategy is the key. Subscribe now, and let's grow together.